The In-Place Upgrade Hydration Kit is a tool developed out of years of deploying Windows 10 across multiple organizations. It was created in an effort to streamline the in-place upgrade process, allowing you to focus on the actual deployment processes and increasing your overall in-place upgrade success ratio. The In-Place Upgrade Hydration Kit comes with a Configuration Manager console extension, making it easy to launch as needed, and the wizard will walk you through various settings required for deployment. First, we'll select the revision property and add a revision. This will determine what the collection naming standard will be. Add service desk contact information and a logo, and this is primarily for when end users select when they will deploy the Windows 10 upgrade themselves after receiving the task sequence policy. We need to put in a UNC path to our source location, and during the process we'll extend the configuration MOF and the hardware inventory. This will allow us to build collections based on success and failures. If you already have an upgrade package, you can select it from SCCM. Otherwise, you can choose to select your already extracted setup files or an ISO that you downloaded from Microsoft. The information will automatically be populated. You can select your edition, and you can choose to integrate OSD Insights, which is another Objure product. After all our settings are reviewed, select Deploy, and off we go. And during the deployment process, if we do have duplicate information or OS upgrade packages already created, you may be prompted to overwrite or create new. And once hydration is complete, you'll notice that there are a couple more tasks to do, such as distributing the package and all the content from the task sequences. We'll click Finish, and we can go verify that everything was created. You'll see that we have another OS upgrade package for 20H2 based on the ISO we selected. You'll see that we have a couple task sequences, one for pre-caching all files, which assists us in ensuring that the devices we deploy to can pre-stage content and upgrade even when not connected to the network. The upgrade OS task sequence itself, we have several packages we use during the deployment process, and we also created multiple collections to help assist with the deployment cadence. You'll notice that we have a roll-up collection folder structure for all, and then each revision you create will create another sub collection structure, complete with all of our readiness and success collections. And as I mentioned before, the hardware inventory is also extended to allow us to pick up registry keys that are created and manipulated as part of the deployment process to determine success and failures on the machines that we deploy to. For more information, please contact us at www.model-technology.com/Objure.